Namaste, welcome to Sisreka's kitchen. Today I am making beetroot dosa with Teff Millets. To make beetroot dosa, I have taken 2 cups of Teff Millets. As you can see, Teff Millets are very tiny. They are very silky to touch. Since the Teff Millets are very tiny, you have to use a strainer while you are cleaning and draining the water. Otherwise they will wash out into the drain. I also soaked 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds. I also have a half piece of a large beetroot. I washed and cut the beetroot into big chunks. Now I am going to grind all these together. I ground the beetroot, Teff Millets along with fenugreek seeds, and here is the ground paste. I added some water and brought it into a pouring consistency. I also added some salt. My dosa pan is on medium heat. I also have some finely chopped onion and green chilli. Now the pan is hot and I am ready to make dosa. I applied a little bit of oil on the pan. I poured a ladle full of batter on the pan and spread it into a dosa. Sprinkle some finely chopped onion and green chilli. You can also add some cumin seeds. Spread some oil or ghee. I want to thank all of you for watching my videos, liking them and sharing them. If you are first time on this channel, please do subscribe for my channel and like my Facebook page. I also have a Telugu channel, Sisreka's Kitchen and Crafts. Please visit that channel also and subscribe. Dosa is a South Indian breakfast and also it can be a late dinner. If you have dosa batter ready in the refrigerator, you can make a couple of dosas anytime as an evening snack. When the sides are getting loose from the pan, fold it and remove it from the pan. You can serve dosa with your favorite chutney. Today I made the sesame seed chutney. I hope you all enjoyed watching this healthy beetroot and Teff millet dosa. So please do give a try and enjoy. You can continue making remaining dosas. Thank you for watching my video. We will meet in my next video.